Hello and welcome to Aurelian University. In this video we're going to talk about object methods. So methods are object behaviors. So just like functions are behaviors, regular functions are behaviors, methods are behaviors that are tied to specific objects. And we use the same def keyword to create a method because methods are just a type of function. So we have a class called book. And here the title property is set to the Iliad, and the author property is set to Homer. So say when we create this class here that will construct an object, let's say that we want to eventually be able to change the author in this class. So one way to do that would be to create a method, so a function within the object. See how this def here is indented into the object. And we can call it whatever we'd like, just like we can with a function, and we'll have it set self.author, so to whatever new author. So here's an interesting thing about methods. Methods or functions within objects have to be passed the self variable, which just refers to the object itself. So that'll always be the first parameter. For this method right here, we pass the self and then the new author, and then to change the author property, we write self.author, just like we would write book.author here to change this instance of to retrieve this instance of author, and we'll set it to the new author. So that's the way we do that. Also, when we're using the method, we don't have to put anything in that matches the self parameter. We just start with the next parameter in there. So new author here will be whatever we want new author to be. We don't have to put anything in for self because Python takes care of that itself. So I've already CD'd into the tutorials folder. Now I'm going to just run this. And you see, at first, when you print book.author, the author is Homer. And then we change the author to unknown. And the author becomes unknown when we print book.author. Now the reality is changing a property in an object can be simpler than this, but this is a good way to illustrate methods and essentially just how they work.